Hello guys, hi people, how you doing? Guys, I'm very busy. You don't say when I go for come. I'm just busy. I'm just busy, okay? I thought say I won't answer that idiot girl. We bought 5 children to wait for Africa, yeah? Benja Fufu baby mama. So we went out today, guys. We not quit enter her, so I dey rush the cook right now. See, as you can see, you see, okra na be this one. So I'm doing okra pepper soup quickly. So I just want to use one. I want to use one hand take quick do this one. How now the more let me share this video. Hello my love. Wait till my come more color. Me not be like say beg. I tell you, I say na natural. Yeah. I'm not sure I want to they come here, but
no, if you come out again.
You come out though?
No.
You know if you come out?
No, stop.
Why not if you come out? They come out.
No, stop.
How can it stop?
Stop. Go show for that.
You go show live and maybe in a network. If they come out?
Yes.
What of some people they change? That day one day life I can change this thing. You know come out now. Ooh. I might cut and can't cut and come back. No? I want to use natural. Oh, this color not let me take come out. Damn it. Let's go and come back. Only do way. Where man like it? No?
No.
I live on. Wow. Hello guys. So that did they hear me? You look if they hear me. Let me share me. So guys, I promised to come to come live before. Yeah. But I just stay busy. We go somewhere since which I did live for since. So I not quick enter house. And now I dey hurry they quick do this quick soup. You know say okra na the most quickest okra pepper soup na the most quickest soup. So now I can't dey do now. Okay. So I look say before I go do this thing finish today, come live you go say. Only I need something to take put on so I feel they do my food. I be need something if I play and may I put on, may I take they do my food. Okay, no, maybe go they play for my front. How na dey? So I tell una before, some people tell me say, I tell una before, I say that bottle we bought 5 children to wait for Africa, where though they tried me for how many years. When my husband's sister when my husband's sister can't help me go beat her that day. I tell una say before, I want just prove something for una now. Small one now I want play for this side, this or that one. I tell una say she they call me before. Some people say na lie. Say she never call me once. So I say she they call me. She go they talk to me how she get 2 children for house. This man when she get belle for 2018 she was pregnant at that time when she they call me. So I they really talk to her like sister. Okay. So she go just dey lie with me. We go they talk. I go they advise am and all that. So she they often call me. But it can't reach one time like that. Not come they hear from my gate because people men way they really call me that time. So I not come they hear from her again. You get? So later, one day like that, she say people can't comment for her word. She can't insult me. Meaning she know me. You know, some people they call me. I don't know them. So she say somebody can't comment, insult her for where she they do hook up. Me, I don't even know say she don't start to do hook up. That yeah. So I don't know say she don't start to do hook up. So she can't say people they can't write her, they tell us about me or that what I don't know. So there she can't do video, she can't insult me. That was 2018. When she insults me, then I don't know how the teeth reach Gladys and I don't know that she be like say she can't know say me and Gladys na friend. So she can't go contact Gladys. She can't go tell Gladys say people insult her, she can't insult me back. And even Gladys not even know say she don't feel they call me before they seek for advice from her. Me myself not still know because not be everybody where they call me, not be I know. So the day when she can't call me, that you Vera no me ask well no me beat mercilessly with Benjamin Fufu. So she can't call me one day. She can't say me, she tell me sorry, say na commenters when they follow me, now they come they insult her for where she they do hook up. Now that versation she they talk to me, I sorry. Now say, but you don't know commenters. But later she come they try to tell me, say me and you don't feel they talk. Now I say me and you don't feel they talk how where? She say yes. She they call me, they tell me about your husband and all that. Okay, I can't tell her say I don't remember. So come and listen. On the document that you again. I want to just do this one because I'm very busy, guys. I will not lie. Okay.
How you are doing?
Hi guys, sorry. I'm not this. I didn't in the hurry, guys. Okay.
We need to drop the speaker.
Wait up. Give me that too.
Easy.
Oh yeah, now come back the speaker.
Okay. So let's go.
Okay, so now the record be this. Wait. Now the record be this. When she take call me when Gladys don't already call her and Gladys don't also call me say the person where he talk to me say now my fans come right now. So she can't call me. Mona listen, I beg they listen well. You hear when she will say she they call me. Listen well. Oh yeah, go.
So when I was away last to deal with, if you like the them and look up on your way call it because it may work I want for just a 1 year okay, my question was way early to see any building. Okay, when I work on some other for a night why you now we say young spec. When it's so we get a platform. Then I look about yeah, I call one and so also what we did at your part obviously walking around for another lady. So before I take a little class now where online program and sana okay now we have to that one now we have gossip open on attack now usually even yeah well life it will be anyhow understand so later now we can even hook up we went okay there are jump up one understand okay there are jump up the mama glad to sit down with babala but because he call him Mama Gladys. What to me? I want to call him. What you call him? Isha, welcome to Amina. When we roll or we make best up and it's not your feeling. We are only doing more, but he told my sister, oh, just have to go to Yamia. The doctor had to wait training to call when I will talk more.
Why, honey? Now, yeah. Mo calling when I wait that for me. Not that for me. Jamaica.
Yeah, well, life it will be anyhow understand. So later now we can even hook up we went okay. There are jump up one understand. Okay, there are jump up the mama glad to sit down with babala. Because he call him Mama Gladys. What to me? I want to call him. What you call him? Isha, welcome to Amina. When we roll or we make best up and it's not your feeling. We are only doing more, but he told my sister, oh, just have to go to Yamia. The doctor had to wait training to call when I will talk more. No, you understand? So, Because the man will watch a video see upon Mama or Guaruma or Guaco, if we said when we platform of this one was a Miami, call him my to get my point. You know, we never platform Mama, they are table also.
Idiot now, a caller, meno. Yahweh live video. I mean, man, call it the opinion, a useless but away now, or Rumia. On a many years ago, Vienne.
So you want say again, or you talk about so I said they go so you want say I was one of the couple is taking away. Oh, soon you know the way I was them or anything. You said when I was your way, and I will the woman, you know, one of your own and I'm in all the also. When it's all boss and I walk away, and you know what I say. All what if you want to comment, you know what the person will comment on us for 1 year for ya, you woman, it is my motto, it is fat and go when it's up and where's the you know was here, or not to better when it's up. So only to be an not to get away. Only get about someone I don't know how I be. If you are when I was built, I walk you down with hook up them against your hook up or send me those people who were saying that this is member, but you got this over, don't see me, don't come in. You don't come in and I was saying, Latia, by the way, it's taking away video. I already see I video in your car with the party, I like this so fine. But when I got this out, I got this over. We are one time that video in your body, and I didn't see me. It's a me a while. If I'm having a shoulder for any profile, you know, you're in a report, the person I reply, it's not even a so this one or call the way. And this is well known where you're calling me. Where this is where we're coming. Can you imagine the mommy in me or when you're my glasses to walk about with the person a job party or calling in your going with the mountain or my yawa because or say Kakaka and one of my glasses. You know, yawa inside like that. You will not say in your phone or photo me and imagine the person of your not full in a box or photo of anybody don't know what you know social media anybody because because follow up you get my point because now on my woman no make sit down almost man get my point you watch a live video no matter what you but you not get to touch me you be about
Mama no make sit down but we what on woman no make because you see and say na good mind now get for you. When you they call me say Benjamin Fufu, they call you belle that time. I go stay with you. You go dey my phone for more than 30-something minutes. And no way say na okia kiziga buejegbo vera. Oma no way say na okia kiziga buejegbo because I say unu wa call me wa viegbo wa so ebeja fufu ogbu yugu yu aore. Ikama we like enter train. They go Dortmund, leave the damn mad idiot for house. Later come back. You go say, okay, sister. Hey, sister, you used to call me sister. Am I lying? Niba bofie kulelu ebedele. Na wo hamagume so ni uzuwo egbomo. Ni na re we kede yo ade. Because I dey look you. When he make course, he may help. I go wake up in the morning. This whole place girl go call me cry from morning till night. Wetin they do now? The reason why I know Asaramo, some of them are going to say they fear Vera. If they fear Vera, Vera ni me cancel wo wano. When go call me, she go they cry go with belly. I feel for this idiot. You hear what he talk? He said because who do good for person. Because say une to stay with me for like 30 minutes. It's irreverent polowana. It's irreverent wana. Oh refo. Okay, explain the frustration life for okay, explain me. He said because say comment I can't comment for her work when she dey do hook up. Now she start to insult me. Later she can go the matter she can go give Gladys. Gladys can call me. That time me and that one they play. Now cause okay, I go tell them they no go they insult people again. Normally, you know me before, I know they agree me they insult people for me. Me answer. I know the answer. Or what favor me. Iwaya mi oya we ni a wicked do na we okay, let's start. Do you understand? This idiot. Talk her just now. It's so omanorie no we say no ma. E say une. Ege ave say akpo ni ege no ya lecture ba.
I can remember because when they are oh my God, I'm disappointed.
If you do Wadame Vera no Guagbea, Wadame, una de listen this bottle with this mother F, una de listen. I go create time for this idiot. When Benjamin Fufu go mama and finish, this girl go call me. Now me they comfort her. This girl wanna see so. Oh, now no so do like this day. More day. Where they cry, where she they cry. When again now. I call the Lucas is there say I know what she's going through. Share the video, share the video. Hello guys, hello. Oh no, you know you go there. After that camera, this girl is a goner. But I don't know why she decided to live like that. I don't know. I cannot tell somebody to live. May you live man when you deal with. Maybe now that advice they find for me. I not give her one day. I only tell her say you know what is good for you. One mama because she told me she have 2 children in Nigeria. That's what she told me. And she said she's 28 years. Una hoba. Wahom we recording now. She they call me, but when people comment for her, she can't insult me. Yeah. Then she not call me again. She can't go call Gladys. When Gladys call me, when me call do live video, I call her say which people they go insult people. When I know they insult people on my behalf now, I beg. I don't like her. After I drop that live video, now she take call me. She called me. To be honest, I not be queen no say na she until she called they describe her take her pan all those one. Hello. Hello, I did live video, Jay. Hello. I did live, mama. You understand me so? Make I play her. Ona go call her, call no. Do already man now dame yo. Obi okana. When Benjamin Fufu wan pa in 2018, na me dey help am.
Because Osile Kakaka Ewa no Mama Gladys. Now Yawa inside like that. They want you not see the Okono Mari photo be any married to the best of your many Arabi American not to know in a box. Okono like photo be any other Yagman and away. I hear what the man anybody or what you know social media. Because my point because and that's enough. On my woman, no man is down. All man, get my point. You watch the live video, no matter what you go to, you know, the little art touch me. And you are about to hear what the parents say. I can remember because when they are oh my God, no, I'm disappointed. So social media that he never be born where. Or any more aggressive now, don't let the because they really get we are the house and the way people are the way to do it and the on the platform. If I'm here, okay, let's say, but the men on the book, if it's coming, why you want to of one hour, and then when the book was so, when anybody the post up, so we are of your owner, and we block you. He block you also, what I'm here too. He won't know about this. I don't say you. I don't want it. I want to go with them. When I have to remember my glasses, it's good to book with my sereno. But when you do it, who will listen to the way of Fona? Mama, of Fona, no, with it on YouTube. Yeah, I'm with the picture of a platform. Yeah, I don't yeah, what's the name of blocking? Because we have my YouTube, online page, Facebook, when I don't get it, she will not do it. I'll say, oh, I beat some out of here. When I'm out of here, I took a woo watching it. You know, I don't block you. We want to say, what the public because equal law. We get social media for so many. Also, I'm glad to see. On the thing where walk by when the head was say, and my way I'll say. Now, apart from how my own, come away, you call with no one. No problem. Oh, my way, because I'm a planet 2019. Oh, what call you? I actually need to make it already popular. Even if you know, or what I'm women as a man. Or we need the person that can make the person there. Mogi and the lady. You know, Shashia. Or we are over here. You know what? Sister, now go when I'm young, I'm fat. And then you have the one more. Now, if you don't know what I'm going to follow up with it now, and then another women, no, tell okay, because if you want the one to fill away, I'll be more because I'm wearing my sin to go ahead and waste it. When we start, what we do, I watch a program or panel, you know, which is about where what the fuck something I did before that one. So now we can check and I want to check them and they like a picture of all those kinds. When we turn a person and we have to be at that. And now we know now, maybe now we're not going to meet it. The legend in the room, and I said, the issue of you, but we're making a check a while. Okay, what do you need? Now said they had to about the message. I said they go where I call it. You want to know where LB. You're whether your top fan something. Top fan the Facebook give me almost that at 40 again. Oh, that at 40. Oh, wait a minute, what to tell you? No, my baby, we know, we really come here to our Facebook. Never yet, I walk by here. You will see a movie, but I'm going to watch what I read. On money, really, like the Facebook, the person did give me a movie, but how will I see? Like, well, give me the way. Every day, don't touch it. Every day, do this, every day, to our touch it. Even while you follow it, even on a female will be saying, or read, because you always watch it, you able to read Facebook or read. Almost to send a message like before. So when you are real life in him, you understand. So now okay, next time I watch it, the other area equal okay. You are calling the vocal is like because I money made up on what I say now with salary. Mama will be problem no. Now we are only waiting for some now we go now we are that's now so why wala no say you know what to say we are doing what we never know one thing na na ko people you know we be so we are not you Facebook I mean think about it we are Facebook you are way but my sister you are social media I don't know where they are no familiar with the social media oh
You don't like me. So I hope say I not just they play this thing that they understand. The thing una understand say she make video, they talk to me because say people comment for her. This girl was obsessed with me. I go put picture me and my husband. Verekia go they read people when he comment, people when he like. If they join the people when they come insult her for where she dey for inside back of door there, when I don't even know if somebody like her they exist. So this video, this record one are listening now. I lie for inside here. I lie. She una hear now when Vera talk say you niye. They say new nena. If Benjamin they lock up this girl with belle, now me she they cry come meet. Me, this Jama first lady, if many of you don't know the reason why I have been looking Verekia. That girl wanna see there so. If he saw to now, Mona no let her enter on her body. Now me, she they talk to. This one not be waiting, she take cry to me. Oh. I just make una hear where Vera use her mouth talk say, it's here when now, my work baby lie. Say no man, I do good for this idiot. Good when I do for her. When Benjamin go don mamara, she go call me, go hold me for like sister where say she go they tag me. That one will go reach there. That's small. So Verekia, you are here right now watching this video. You see yourself. This was before you even come start to insult me. Before you come transfer to YouTube. I can't leave you. I can't tell you say I go deal with you. Later Kukuma just leave you. Because I know say you they deal with mental health issue. Even now, the situation is worse now. Then it was even better. So only God know. When you told me that you want to leave the man, 2018, what did I not talk put, she I not talk put. So when we make me na ba. I be your role model. You like my kind of life. You like my husband. When you can bill me say you want. Anytime with Benjamin. At that time, at 2 you even admit. At 2018, at 2 you admit say you born. So the boy, the verse, they beat you every time. You go call me, I go give you listening ear. Thank you very much, my love. Love you too. So what they Nasia, for those of una we go they say Jama first lady they fear Vera. Vera they call you a Vera no homie. Waiting they do Vera. The kind of relationship where that get day. I pray for my enemy all over the world. You will never see yourself in that kind of relationship. I am telling you. Edene Benjamin Fufu Bobby Ohana. Ona ro talk bob. Ogi setik back bona calling me. At that time, I don't know say I be the Benjamin. I don't know the man. Now only she they come to me. She go they cry. They tell me say she leave 2 children for Nigeria. This idiot was even lying to me. Then she have 5 children, but she was lying that she have 2. Emeva ta mama ya toge de nomuna. Emeva. Ota mama ginyeme. No meva be Nigeria. Ota mame idiot in the back boma hona. Ina rijo bone, una hear when she talk and say, ese ume, ese unwe, ese ne nyoga bue, ese ni unwe ni. Uke to laja me media do arobieme for so many years. Una muoge the lie wey dey your body now you born 5 children abandon. Me never born. I'm a koko me muria. Iyo monera koko ije no kwa koko me. So I have to live and make my grandmother proud. I never did those rubbish you did. I never do it because I want to make my grandma proud, which I did. Okay, will be 2010. 2009, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, who? Yeah, proud. Ilawe bona imamwe koriowa, ima bieje anywhere. One idiot like you because of jealousy. Ade gang in waje ni wa wa ni biele wo wa wa ke adie webo. Rubbish children. From rubbish ge anake rubbish edede. Wani mu ne ko biele zaga Africa. We do agree me do am no make je me no kwa proud. When my grandmama go they take care of me that time, he go say he go say where do I in a way I want make you make her shame in a way tomorrow as he your neglect now when he wrong when he they do what they do. So not be today I start to talk my past story online or who then I may get to so rest in perfect peace. Clear. Yeah, my grandmama go they tell me say they don't come oh yeah mama oh tinya we where they look this one right. Mami omwe ko gbojona iya bi je olugbo me and you I don't want make we live like that when why so that now you na give we jine do dejo wo moko akoko ave na jaiu no do dejo je me no kwa eyin no je ovekere egukere. That is what she they wake me for night, they tell me that word is sick for. I don't be like you when they are bad. I don't know who trained you, I don't know who raised you. My grandmother. And I do according to how my grandmama talk am. I make sure I don't make my grandmama shame. I make sure I don't make her shame. One bastard like you. Keke unuwa no bare gang ni frustrated the webo. Wani o wu ave de se le gbagbo ma ko be webo. Ekinu wa do wa na biele mo filo kwa Africa, wa na do amu eji mo hu. Omo ni ma bie wa wi bie. Wa worry agire when ari no more latia una say the pikin eat which the driver enter forest then wa yare gagini then wa yaru mani emi no ru wa gbe wa wa mu yo megbe wa mare okpe anu wa tie ku wa ya no mare bo mare black na di na una senior di man but wa na to fear di megbe me ni je me di bie 1985 okpe anu ye me wa 1983 wa na wi di on umo ki atogbuwa umi atogbuwa wa son otogbuwa wa van ese ni unu evera be benjamin ki agbuwa una so bumere ina ye cheta nu you will stay with me on phone for more than 30-45 minutes. I will be consoling you for more than 5 to how many years. Okay, Robiene. Ina arewe. But people think I was scared. Because I know you. Because I know what you are going through on a daily basis. On a daily basis, that guy they use your head hit wall. They use sometimes. They use your story. Sometimes they make video at that time advise women. And you know, you can't come for me. You can't fight me. You can't insult me for media. Why you biele yo wanu hema gu wa gue. Wana do mweji megbe me no be do bona. Wana do mwe yo megbe. Eri hion mai. Eri bie wo we di pikin your own na 5 they don't expose them. We my own. That pikin girl pikin or boy pikin won na say me born. Either na spiritual or na so ije me no kwa hian tiwa mo. Kemi wari ri yo boji. Keno so mani do mwe mawe. No to oge ni yo megbe na make na eti le or no wa me zaga. Odokpa wa ya Allah. Wa yo ba wa. O wa hian gi hu wa fi boy. Unless na gele bie ba va na bie ba son. Ibie ye gbo, ibie ye keni bioji. Adogba na oro nuwa. Ime bie de. O me ne ihe ho bi me no di ona ni bie e o mo ni yaso abie be webo because of blackmail ne marriage men work. Wana wa una ko carry my matter for contract. Una ko de na do mo ana be mu ge gbo ma mu we. Una ko de speculate. I mean human be abi. Na ko de speculate say I don't born. But una way they accuse me say I don't born. Now una born for Africa. Wa bie una no fit identify una children. Una go dey where una children dey una go dey see egbe make dem no know say na una born children. Now una do all this character, no be me. If make me no wa proud. My grandmother they wake me for night, they tell me say la re tale nu una. I wa gbin na I wa when this become a village girl. But we are imagine there. Because my grandmother, I want to make her proud. She suffer for me. So she told me she don't want to see me going to farm with her. Her joy will be that I will grow up for this village and live and become a great person anywhere else I go. But this village, nothing. She don't want that for me. And at least imagine we were not kekwa. Imagine we were not kekwa, not be at the age of 16. 16 years, imagine look be we're not be at the age of 12, a Vera no who are. At the age of 12, we swear bien, but it's in Nigeria me now one. It might be, but you sit down there. Me no salopa me ya working aye. Or you wa ya be o wa yin la e ke ya ni mo re ba me. E de le na givo. O wa yin la e. All of una they beg they eat. Unless una secret room una go tell God say, ah, e ba wa ba e. I buy no ya anyeri. You not see who talk to you. You not see who coach you. This girl, she go come to me. 2018 now they play so. Oh, not that one day. Oh, again now. Some people were like, oh, so you get all this? Yes. When I hear when she talk, I say I do good for her. We have for do good. I they help her. Idiot now. Waste my time for her. She go they cry like melu. Idiot in agbene. What women want maybe media me? She wish to be me. She love my husband. She like me. I will not lie. Oh, what calling me? Oh, they like it. Vive any. A hatred decay like be. No, I don't want to use her. The hatred decay like over your connect been one yena. Okay? Yeah, na suma. Abe madam me mabuwa. Anyway, shall not be said the quarter, but I'm just saying. And then no my wedding about my bomber. Okay? Ekinu wedo. Shall you listen to yourself? Hello, Gacha the video. Hello, Jabba last lady. Your baby when you bought for the Larivana. Hey, Kape. The baby when you bought for Nigeria. Benjamin Ekia. Benjamin Fufu. Shall you hear how you're useless? This girl, when you know the day when they born you are 28 now, she's 39. My brother talking 39 years. Have 5 children in Africa. Now you carry for us, you go to say you be human being. Now you they talk to my husband when he talk in policy. Or when you or not dear or honor 1 month or when now he policy are not there when he put her right from Africa. Or what when he know me, tell me he not go marry woman we don't boss somewhere. If you don't say now one picking. My husband so one go they call mumu. He said no they marry. He also tell me say I know they marry who I senior. So this is abroad. I came with passport with somebody surname and my name. Now I take come as a footballer 2006. So you know when you come to this country, that name when you bring, you don't say no come be your surname. Now so you go the carrier. Do you understand? And abroad here, you know fit many of you now waiting me do. Wetin my papa do, wetin my family do to send my own date of birth from Africa to my husband. Many of you, why now abroad age, now na give una husband. Abroad age, now na give una husband. But me, my Nigeria, now my husband gets. Or see, maybe who say the marriage now, my husband look and my husband now realize that wow, not be media. Even for real life before social media, that for me where if he say me do so thing, he go buy as soon. That's how I'm going to say, oh, the man love her. I'm a truthful person. He even know what my ya koko me. When I talk and I fear nyagbe. Vive on that for me, make a mad, then he let bo. He mouth, I not be woman when go ballon for flat. He ma bo. No of any other for me. In my head, ben on a do buen hygiene bani. Okay, it's a year. Me Nigeria day. Mama get ya fenya be there. We know who are not beyond me 5 woman. You can't they claim for Germany, claim for Beja Fufu. Say na 2 children you get. Even me when you come to me when you were crying. Oh, I've been there. Me mommy again your zenu na go be matter ni mama o yeti bitoge. It may give yourself, may you not feel they go, they give money to your children for us. When you not feel go, they give them money. You put like they put for my head. You think you lying on me will make you feel better. But look at it. Look at where we are today. Usaka. no harm be at the age of 13, 12. Me won't make 13 wo woman now we all have you know. So I cannot even figure it out with my head that Vera gave birth at the age of 13. One abuse one yasunu eba amweka ni ju ewe no a. Me won't make 13 wo woman now. I can't figure it out that you were so condemned and you will have the guts. I don't want to feel we are eating udo tota jamanatedi. It told her where because I know your situation. I can't say you for long before hatred chop you up. You can't start to they fight me, they beat me every day for your plateau. Hey, beat her today. If they hospital tomorrow, see your shame everyone. No marry you on that. Your sister, your brother, they bring you condemn you. See your children phone where they take they sleep. See everything. With all these years, you know if you do nothing for your children, nothing. Benjamin Akwe, so you remember the way they thought say 1 naira money to take buy hair cream to rub hair, you not defeat. Yeah, but when we bought bejo, what boom ya do what tell the story when mommy. And I take you as a sister, you know. Verekia, set your heart, you know. You go talk, I go leave you for more than 30 minutes or maybe now I tell in my phone you speak, I you talk or you hot more. This idiot so. When they insult me, many of you think is a big deal. Many of you think it's a big deal. Hey, no fear, Vera. Hey, now let Vera they give her injection. Wow, who wear gear? Hey, Vera ni me coco na cocomo. Hey, Vera ni me good one. Tomorrow go say no one benje kia again. Next tomorrow go say oh sister ya wa say na sister wa match me sister gbe mi yomeko sister hospital ke wa dey na we no ga hospital re na you go call the they say they don't admit her for the beat me I beat her. Yeah, we gear it to her way. I will advise your sisters and your brother. Make them leave you. More way, I know you very well. Make them leave you. Frustration, now you tell they do what you they do there. Hello guys, share the video. Frustration. That boy is I don't even wish you by you. But if you continue, say the way of that 2018, where you live in, it's obvious. You gotta continue, you might get a heart attack again, you know. You get a boy any got messed up with your peace of mind, mess up with your brain. You go here for me away, come up this thing for her, wumi. Not be a day here when you come. You go cook soup. I bet I live when I finish what I do. I did what I say I wanted to do her video, not be like this. But I just played this one. For those of you now will be dirty Thomas say, now lie, I go call you Vera. You call they tell you his story. You too they lie. Eh not me ban. She una hear you wa call you we. Enene idiot ni aragbe montier. Most of mana tiwa. I me they call. I me she they call. I don't know why people they put weighty dead their body for person body. I don't know. Their inferiority complex. They will put it on you. I don't ever hear any raining me waya. I go just the look. So my people, I go one live on a year. Very clear. Not my number. Hey. Obi elo filo kwa, file mo kwa Africa. I go just advise that brother, just leave him. As soon as see that boy, he no care oh. Benjamin Fufu, no care. He say wamu no ko. He aba we kon talk. He like all that from we egbe no wa ya. Who take we social media man na egbe a. Abi a Libya. He can oga make him so go Libya na he can say okay I marry you. Work sponsor me. No be you sponsor this yeah boy come Europe. Not be also you also. So tell you as they talk and yes I not do after one day. You don't see me come and say Amakane, it's your business. But what you told me, am I supposed to say it? No, but I get patient, wish. I mean, destiny way. Because I don't look you say, may I leave this one. They pass through a lot. My husband say, oh, what is they pass through? I make sure they live video. A boy any that boy mona carry Benjamin Fufu mona carry and go rehabilitation. E Morocco ni no senior mamwe any man we go just smoke. Some may go smoke Morocco they go they camp. Benjamin Fufu go smoke. Now that useless thing I be punchy bag. na therefore they emphasize the power every blessed day. It get to a time I tire for this girl call a big woman, but based on my nice character I can't still dey listen. Sister 1 minute, sister you worry no dey you know what long woman sister if you no drink you know they sleep with me and that one alone you got bawe be ni tana ne de no mu na mu me ni mana bawo hu aya mu e ba bofie kunlelu. You not tell me say Benjamin fufu no drink stoop off you know they tell you me you break bekos umata mame aseva with dirty aseva one. Thank you all guys for being here. Let me leave you guys. Benjamin fufu kakabo when they carry motor when don't I can't the boy go he wanna go in work. If you want snap picture go they stand for Igbo people motor. You know they're proud of your BM when they want destroy. You know they're proud. You say me and my husband not they work now social media we take they eat now government they feed us at least. You ain't the una two they work according to this liar, this sampet tongue. So when they lie. But una two when they work, una not even feel buy better car, put money together, buy better car, no they go man way. Don't be that go na go they carry they go. They tell marry your wedding, where are your wedding? Jealousy climb you. I carry you enter house. Thank God say you not come greet me. That day when you say you dey for main road, when I say may you enter train, may you go waka before this idiot mind go come down. He to say I can't say because she not be say she too far from me. He to say I can't say okay, my good Samaritan mind. Oh yeah, may you come this side because if Verekia beat, if that one beat her finish, she go come up for us. Now me they tell her me come up because sometimes you go hold the man, they go they rack him. Sometimes he pray sha le gbe oko we. He pray we gbe oko. No gbe oko no gbe oko. Agba ki we gbe ana oko gbe oko.
Don't pray for her now. Google kill her.
Yes, that's true.
Idiot girl.
If you not stupid. That girl they pass through. Oh Jesus. Oh my God. No pray. He pray.
Don't pray for her. She's stupid.
But I go later, brother. Say Mona leave her.
No, make they not leave her. Make them not leave her.
While I'm not you want to pass through, you people will pull her together and help her. I mean, she they talk to more than 40-something minutes, 30-something. Man, all red line. I'll just give her time because that boy don't mess up with the brain. That's why she they fit talk one word, 20 words in a seconds. She go when he drive her crazy. She's in love. I will not lie. She's in love with that guy. But that guy you are seeing don't give any F about this thing. I mean they tell you. I say no na yeah you the boy yeah you mama who don't like other for me. He like other for you are what you he like other for we gbe no wa ya we you be witch. You be witch after una sack be lo missing. Deti me be le we ya gare ma. La boy fear kunlelu. Have idiot now those one we carry belle born for Africa. Irresponsible children. Not be all low. Sorry guys. Oh sorry. Hey yeah. Sorry. That's why I talk since. I like this. Yes. Oh, thank you. Really? There was some of them where I wear go holiday. Where I carry go holiday that day, but I not wear them before I come. Thank you very much. So now now you don't see life now. More now go they tell us say wait till I talk now life. I was a team don't say that lie about my shameless thing. Benjamin Fufu, sure you know now say your baby mama they call me. The way why be say if you drink now you they knock out. The peckles not the sweet. Sorry for anybody who go feel offended. Don't try and offend for me say I they play with person tell me about herself or when they go talk since 2018. Of your kanakero me. So I'm not tagging my here or hey or go buy a mukbu Iwa yave na ya iwe mi jelele. Yes. Iwa yave na ya wa ya ni rema na so much believe none of you know that Vera was calling me to console her after Benjamin go dog got it for her mouth. You know they say has that boy dio waja ikwipo wa mu no we Jenny that useless thing. She go there has money thing. Men la one no there. Okay, the live video. Mama the work. Mama, he dey work. Mama, as you see, Mama, he can't go school. He can't go driving license. Mama, come back. Mama, come there. Mama, come back. Now, so Mama, he dey work. Go bring your status. Go bring your. Where did this way they receive money? May I bring my mouth? May I bring my mouth? But you know, I know. I don't know if you tell your story to someone else, but you know me, no. I know you know. What the area will say, why doing all that? You are killing yourself more. Live the way you are. That's the best way. And then you live it. What do I want? Self-happiness will just come. It will come automatically when you are not living for people. Idiocy. Now, when I buy bed for my son some years ago, she come online. Hey, she they wash me. See my bed when I buy. Now she don't go back. Ma way. A bed do momo, bed do boy me. Me. This one will not show. It show even where they sleep. It show. So Mona leave Asha. I go leave una for now. Okay, I said it before. Okay. And because I say na insect I see just now. Because she don't know why you go deny the hatred when Benja Fufu get for her. Now I think the hatred will be more now. At the time that time when she they talk to me was 2018. When this boy they really that time she only confessed 2 children. So as of 2000 I don't know 1920. I think it's like 2020 or 2021. Now they call Opu Anyash online say she get 5 children. So you can imagine the double punishment when that boy would they give her. The double punishment when the boy would, the way they give her that time when she they cry to me. But since then when not call they cry to me, call reach now. And that time she agreed 2 children. So now this boy they use her like rag. She just they beg now so every time. I know if he beg my again. And I don't want again. You know what baby? Oh what baby? My sister my minitana. And tell me oh what fast. He was say I ain't get all depressed. He was say I ask her. If she will tell you truth anyway. Nothing one line now. You hear when she talk her. Say I do good for her. I do good for you. People comment for you. You can't discuss me. I so much believe now she not get who she dey tell about that idiot again. Only I been now say I wo waba. That one go come out the next day morning. That one go come. And one day pray make it not hit you the way you dey fall for ground. So make you not fall. Go leave you come on go somewhere before you go come to me who call you to. Everybody must not marry. We can't back une. Oko no so you may be at the age of 13. Why we no je? Umame wa no advice we. Anyway, I hear when your brother say they tried their best. Because she did a great job. Oh, me, we no je wewu. Ewu kero vekere. Salobo agba oge me ke no je wodo. Ori home training ori me. O se amu oge yana mujo momu edejo mo ne dede koko kekeru wa even in my way. Mommy, daddy, mommy, my way ma unwa. All a sagyoji mae. If despite say people go want change our identity just because of the hatred they have for us, but I always love the way God do it. Vindication must come. That's it. Me even bobo eni tuti eje me no kwara eni yon koko me yon suse ye me okoko me na nwa we no when the dark me age or je be dele na glory be to my grandmother, the glory be to God. Okay? Imaho huwa we nuwa so we wana amune ko giru wa bijuwa ne ni akoke moju wa bo me madwe iye negbe me. I'll leave una guys. Go see you later. Bye.